Doing? Who's excited for a little bit of Anki? Oh yeah, wagwan. Cool. We're gonna get some tunes going. We're gonna actually get on this shit. What's good? Why is single math so boring to study for? Who's actually studying for it, bro? We don't need to study for it. Okay. A little. Cause I'm just a little drunk and where are these dates from? They're from just the internet. That's it. I just searched Anki on Google and it showed up. Cause I'm just a little drunk and I just fuck. Revision right now so I don't make silly mistakes. Fairs. A star in maths mark, but you got an A star, no? Who cares? Oh wait, you 13. Good luck. OCR, I'm OCR. Cool. How start revising for D1? Oof, dark. Aaron saying that Mig Zishan Zam. What? Zishan is S. Whole verse, Mog Zishan. 3 functions of the BIOS. Okay. 3 functions of the BIOS. First one. Checks that the hardware devices are working. Checks for storage, external memory devices, like secondary storage. Thirdly, checks the CPU clock speed, sets the CPU clock speed. Okay, checks the CPU clock and the processor. Post. Okay, fine, not that bad. Good. Okay, apply the distribution rule. So we're gonna have A or B and B or C. No, wait, no, fuck. Okay, I said and. Yo, I meant it like that. I mean, like, it's A or B and B or C. It's fuck. You know what I mean? Okay, yo, if I didn't write it out in words, I'd be fine. This is maths. Come on. Okay, bro. 2 advantages of circuit switching. The packets will arrive in order. Is 1. Fuck. What's the next one? Logical order. Yeah, fine. This is such a BS. There's no way that's ever showing up. Yeah, cool. Yeah, we're doing comp side chat. TCP. Transmission control protocol. Yeah. Compression. Compression is where the size of a file is, or the size of, yeah, file. I think a file is decreased to reduce the amount of storage or bandwidth needed for it. Yeah, fine. Comp size easy, yeah. OCR. I do remember you, Hamza. What's good? Oh my god, I got so many clips from that live, by the way. You know, I recorded the whole thing. It's just on my computer somewhere. This is my competition. Am I cooked? When's Corpio paper? It's all done. Corpio's done. Normalization is organizing a database to be to have less repeated data, to be more efficient, to be easier to edit and add to. Relational database, okay. The process of designing the best layout for a relational database. Okay, cool. Zoom into Anki. Oh, is it too small for you guys? Is that better? Like that sort of thing? The operand is the data that is given within an instruction. Oh, fuck, wait. The address where the operation is performed. Okay. Cool. Atomicity. It means that all transactions are fully done or not done. Yeah. The duplicates, yeah. Redundancy is where... Oh, God. Yeah, I'm saying okay, because, like, my explanations are fine. Okay, redundancy is where... if something were to fail, the system would be fine. If a part of the system were to fail, the system would be able to function. for example, like with a hard drive, with a server, you might have a backup drive. So if your main drive fails, then it works. The process creating more than one copy. Okay, fine. Normalization. It's the process of organizing a relational database. It's designing the best layout for a relational database. That doesn't seem like a good thing. Like a good explanation. Operand is the address where an instruction occurs. Where the operation is performed. The address where the operation is performed. They happen in the accumulator. What? I'm in the... Fuck. Did I have the spec? Oh, Fairs. Do you need all nines of GCSEs to go Oxbridge? I don't have all nines. MAR? Yeah, Fairs. Further Meg's gonna cook me. It's chill. Accumulator is a register, yes. What is a graph? A graph is a data structure. Or a visual representation of data where nodes have paths between them. Edges, not paths. You got a link to this deck? It's all online. Just search Anki OCR A level. Yeah, I know, right? There's no stem up. I would have paid for stem up, but it's not a thing. So yeah. I don't know these definitions. Yeah. Is stem up actually good? I haven't used it personally, I'll be so real with you. I don't know. My mates have codes. They, you know, all of that stuff. I don't know. I have no clue. They don't have them from computer science. I would have brought them for computer science and tried them. Stem up really good. I use it for GCSE. Combined science went from a 7 to a 9. Fairs. Stem up would be called for CS, but too late now. Okay. Peer-to-peer networks. No reliance on a server / no server cost needed. Not data collisions. It might be data collisions. Something collisions. No. How do you go live, Brev? I clicked the live button on TikTok Live Studio, mate. Pretty much. 2A stars 1A. I would not care, Salmon. As long as I get into Oxford. If I get into Oxford with AAA and I still get in, I wouldn't care. Ask for verification, then verify. If I got into Oxford with BBB, if I was sick on the day of all the rest of my exams, and I got BBB and I still got to Oxford, I wouldn't care. A star, A star, A. I do not care about my A levels. I care about getting getting into Oxford. It's A star maths, A star further maths, A in comp sci. No Salmon, because I would have still got into Oxford. But obviously that's not going to happen because they wouldn't let me in. And also because I'm not going to get those grades. I'm going to get 3 A stars anyway. But yeah. Do Oxford look at GCSEs? Yes. Okay, let's see. Cheap to set up, easy to maintain, easy to share resources. Okay. Set up, maintain, share resources. Cool. Redundancy is having a second copy of data backed up. It says in a physically different location. Is that really a thing? Like, I guess. Operand is the address where the operation takes place. It's all GCSE questions. What grade do you want in A levels? 3 A stars. Exactly. No, somebody said I need A star, A star, 2 A stars. I wouldn't actually get in, but I'm saying if hypothetically I got BBB and I got in, I wouldn't care. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Would you get any A? 63. 100% in A levels? Nah. In registers. Graph is a data structure where nodes are connected by edges. Von Neumann architecture is a CPU architecture with one set of buses for data and instructions. Shared memory as well. Okay, cool. So the advantage of a peer-to-peer network, it's easy to set up, it's easy to share resources, and it's cheap. Easy to maintain, easy to set up, same thing. What is peer-to-peer networking? It's where... Is this even on our spec? There's no way it's on our spec, right? Yeah, I got 63 and did like 300 pages. I don't care, Adam. Can I go to Russell? Yes, you can, Tochi. Really? Oh, okay. Cool. What's an edge? Love. What specific... Epe, mate, yo. You've asked about GCSEs about 50 times, which is fine. You know, you're entitled to do that, even though it's a bit annoying. Listen, they want high GCSEs. If your GCSEs are shit, I would still apply anyway, but, you know. They want good GCSEs. They're not looking for specific GCSEs. It's not a yes or no. It's not a binary outcome. It's just do as you can. Oh, you're right, Sean. You're right. An edge is a connection between 2 points in a graph. Oh, between 2 nodes. It depends on what context we're talking about. Leaf is it's a node with no... It's a node on a tree with no children. Gyroscope. No, not gyroscope. Ignore me. Microphone, mouse. Microphone, mouse. Camera. Oh, keyboard. Peer-to-peer networking is where computers are connected directly to each other. Terminals are connected to each other. Yeah. Yes or no, that's straight Boolean. Yeah, I guess. I'm good, Benazine. Are we hearing this? Stream, can we hear this? I don't know, these guys. No one's getting chefed. It's just some like little fucking kids screaming. Are you in East London? Yeah, of course I am, bro. Nothing actually happened. It's fine. No, I can see it from where I'm sitting right now. They're all looking at a phone. What is a system bus? A system bus? Oh, fuck me. I don't even know. Your Brampton, no. Newham, no. Isle of Dogs. Collection, okay. Really? I didn't know this had a name. A system bus. Oh, wait, what is this? The number of pages that link to the... It's not the dampening thing. Okay. The number of web pages that link to the website and the number of links that the web page has. Or the website has. The page rank. Oh, okay. Like, okay, I guess. Proxy, what the fuck? System bus OCR, I know, right? 3 advantages of using a proxy. What is a proxy again? Fuck, I forgot. Increased anonymity. Less restrictions. Like less geo restrictions, I guess. I don't know. Anonymous. Reduces web caching. Oh, reduces, yeah, something, bro. Yeah, I know. I thought it was like an VPN. I can't lie. I thought it was like VPN. How many hours are you revising a day? For maths, loads. For comp sci, like, I've been doing 1.5 hours since yesterday. I'm so hot and tired, bro. I need to get my fan on. I'm gonna get my fan on. Hold up, chat. It's too hot. I know you can hear it. I know it's loud. I'm sorry. How many flashcards for CS and Anki? This one has like 300. I don't know. I didn't make it myself. 350. Close the windows if you got fan on. I need fresh air. Oh wait, fuck. System bus is a collection of the data, address, and control bus. The page rank of the websites that are linking to it, and the amount of websites that link to it. Yeah, fine. Okay. Increased anonymity. Fuck. Increased anonymity. What else? Anonymity. Reduced web traffic. Oh, fuck me. I forgot the third one. Data can be cached. I don't get how that works. How do you enjoy computer science? I don't, but I have to at this point. How can you visualize? I don't know. On a fucking adjacency matrix? No. Ignore me. What? A XY axis? What do I say here? A table? Okay, like what the fuck is that question? This is the most bullshit question I've ever seen in my fucking life. S5, I've only just started doing this, like, recently. I don't care. Like, I've just started doing this. I've revised comp sci. I've been practicing comp sci. It's a new way of me doing it. I'm just trying this thing. I'm doing it for A level. But the stuff is pretty similar. I just went on Google and I searched flashcards. Normalization is changing a relational database to be more efficient and have less repeating data and all that bullshit. I don't care. 3 functions. Okay, so it runs the post test to check that every hardware device is working. It checks the clock speed and the RAM and stuff like that, and it checks for storage devices. Fun. What is hashing? Yo, Edward, I'm gonna crack you if you keep talking. Please keep talking. Is I meant to do flashcards separated by chapters as a... No, I don't think... I was an... Fuck, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I don't think so. I think doing it all together... you know, the actual paper is going to be all in one. I'm not going to get a paper on chapter 1, a paper on chapter 2. It doesn't matter. I know all of this stuff to an extent. I should have all of this in my brain. It's all in there. I've been revising this for like a year and a half. Not revising. I've been doing comp sci for a year and a half. I know all this stuff. I'm just refreshing memory, so it's a bunch of random stuff being pulled together. I should be good enough for all of this. OCR, yes. Hashing is a one-way... Okay. It's a one-way algorithm that takes an input and gives an output of a fixed length. It can be used for hashing tables, which are ways to search for and store data, and it can be used for encryption. Okay, yeah, fine. Oh, fuck me, I forgot to do this. Oh, God. I know how to do a half adder. How'd you do in your project? I got 63 out of 70. Okay, full adder. Fuck, I forgot to do this. I know how it works. You have, like, obviously the C in, the C out, the sum, the carry, the gooning, all of that stuff. You have the AND gate, the OR gate, the maybe gate. You have all of them ones, and the XOR gate, and the NAND gate. But I forgot how this works, I can't lie. Okay, that's real fucking helpful. Okay, A XOR B. A XOR B. What the fuck? A XOR B XOR C in. Wait, so it's A or B or C in. Right, exclusive OR. Yeah, Fairs Douglas. I didn't use any AI for mine. What's good, Adam? Is this No, it's not that one. Different Adam. What example did you do? OCR. Okay. So A XOR B XOR C. Okay, that makes sense. So if it was A and B and C, what would we get as the output? Well, no, it wouldn't be A XOR B. That would be not, because... Okay. Cool. That makes sense logically. or A and B and C. What? Okay, or A and B. If we've got A and B, we always have C out. This is A level. Okay, if we have A and B, then we always have C out. Full stop. Okay, fine. Cool. So that's one of the ways to get C out, is we have A and B. Another way is to have A XOR B and C in. Okay, fine. And that's another way to get C out. So either we have A and B and C. Oh, no, sorry. Either we have A and B, or we have A or B and... Wait, what? 67 on my NEA, nice. When is CS paper 1? Not this week, next week. Wednesday. I'm currently year 13, David. Fuck, wait. What is A and B and C? It'd be C out. Just C out? Oh no, you have the XOR. Okay. I think it makes Z. Thank you. Not a character. I don't know. All could be a, you know, that could be an integer. Percentage sign maybe, based on the one. What the fuck is that question? Oh, it's a string. I'm an idiot. Ignore me, I'm an idiot. It's a string, it's a string. You wouldn't get asked that in an actual exam, don't worry, but it's a string. Any subjects you don't listen to when revising? What do you mean I don't listen? Don't listen to music? I always listen to music when revising. Complex instruction set computer. Oh, what? Okay, that's bullshit. Complex instruction set computer. Yeah, always. I don't do econ anymore, but I always listen to music. How come you're doing comp sci? Because I have an exam next week and I haven't revised for it much. Okay, an adjacency matrix. And yeah, I listen to all music. I don't discriminate. I know some guys, like, they don't use lyrics, they have background music. Somebody called Oxford just joined, by the way. Yeah, love. Yo, Oxford, mate, I'ma get you. You know, I'm actually friends with Oxford on TikTok. Check the Oxford University page. Look at their following. Genuinely, I'm friends with the real ones. Okay, representing graphs so they can be understood by computers. Imagine you don't meet the offer. You're real. Oh, my bad, bro. Yo, don't worry, bro. Okay, adjacency matrix, and what's the other one? Oh, you know when you put it into Claude. Oh, Dola. You put it into Dola and you just tell it. I'll still let him in. Thank you, mate. Okay. Adjacency matrix or... Fuck. I forgot, Loki. Oh, no. He looks cute. Thanks, mate. Linked list? No. Adjacency lists. That's weird. It's the same thing. Circuit diagram for a full adder. Okay, we're going to draw it out. From memory. Okay, so. Our inputs are A. We got B as another input. We got C in. Okay, bam. So we're going to have A. So this is our C out. No, this is our sum. Okay, sum. And C out. Okay, tough. So we're going to have either A XOR B. Okay. What does sum even mean? Fuck. So yeah, I do CS. I've done CS since the beginning of A-levels. But I'm terrible at it. No, I just don't like it as much. So A XOR B. Okay. So let's just go like that. For that was so long, I know, right? You're so cute, I wish I could just give you a kiss. Thank you. Okay. But no, what if it's like 3? What if the answer's 3? What if A and B and C are all true? What if A, B, and C are all true? Okay. Okay. So, carry is worth 2. Carry is worth 2. Okay. Wait, does it? The carry is worth 2. Okay. LLM? Oh, do you mean like AI? Whenever I feel like I need it. I can't lie, I just searched on Google and the option came up. Year 12 mocks extremely bad, what should I do? Try and relearn over the summer. Try and do as well as you can in the summer and beg your teachers that you get to do another mock. Leaping comp sci. Something like that. Have you tried out DeepSeek? I did try it. I'm not a fan of it. Oh no, well no, it was alright. I think I tried to use it in school and it didn't work. LMC, I like LMC. I don't know. I don't really track the difference between AIs. They do pay me. They did. I did an ad for them. I actually have another one coming soonish. I use Dola a little bit. Dola's solid because you can take pictures. It has infinite uploads, so you don't worry about running out of uploads, which is kind of goated. Yeah, Fairs. Leak it. I'm not leaking anything, bro. Okay. So we have either okay. So you have A or B. A XOR B XOR C. This is wrong. Yeah, plus. Adam 4.0 Pro. True, bro. Okay. And Gate was here, if I remember correctly. Okay, wait. Yes. Yes. No. Because C is a carry bit. So A and B, or C and A or B? Maybe like, okay, wait. There's no way this is right. Oh, there's another AND gate. Wait, no, there wasn't. Wait. Did I get it? Okay. A XOR B. Wait, I think I got it. No, wait. There's an OR gate at the end. Fuck. Oh, to be fair, I joined these together. There should have been an OR gate there, obviously. You can't just do that. Where's the undo button? So it should have been like an OR gate like that. With these as 2 separate inputs, I think. But outside of that, it's pretty good. Okay. Sum A and B. Oh, wait. Okay. I think I got it. C in and A or B. So option 1, A or B and C in, or A and B. We'll give you C out. Okay, great. I think I got it. But next time I get this question, I will definitely go over it again and do the whole thing. Good to have in there. I'm not LARPing CS, Reza. I'm studying. You might not know about it. 43. Adjacency matrix or adjacency list? Lossless. Personal data. Fuck. Data Protection Act. Lexical analysis, syntax analysis, optimization, code generation. Oh, wrong way round. Circuit switching is where this is pure LARP. No, it's not. It's Anki. Physics for CS for A star. Why is everything for A star? Hey Zaki, how you doing? What's good? Apparently your live was popping. I don't know. Reza was like all excited and shit. He was like, "Oh my god, Zaki's so cool, and I want to crack him and all that shit." And obviously we all do, but like, chill out, you know. Ash ruining it. Yeah, love, bro. Hop on next live? Yeah, I guess, bro. Just snap me or something, bro. Or let's check Snapchat. We will analyze that in a sec. What is circuit switching? Yo, what's good, Mathokla? How you doing, man? Why'd I say man like that? How you doing, bro? What's good? Okay, it's where a direct connection, like a direct route between 2 routers is chosen. Direct link, 2 devices. Yeah, fine. Lexical analysis, syntax analysis, where an abstract syntax tree is created. Code generation and optimization. Stacking and dynamic linkers, similarity. They both are used to implement library code into a main program or an executable files. Got Chem tomorrow. Good luck, Mathokla. I wish you the best. You got this shit, bro. DI method and exam. You wouldn't lose marks, but I wouldn't use it. I haven't even learned it. I don't think it's worth using. It's not worth the time of learning. I feel like it's another place to make mistakes for me. Okay, an interrupt. Oh, fuck. An interrupt is where, at the end of a fetch decode execute cycle, a request, an interrupt request, or an interrupt is sent to the CPU. Which basically means that the CPU... It's basically another instruction that the CPU needs to handle outside of its FD cycle. Now, the way that the interrupt service routine works is at the end of the FD cycle, they check if the priority is higher, if the priority of the interrupt is of a higher priority than the next instruction, then the interrupt service routine will run. All of the information in the registers of the CPU will be copied to the stack. This is going to be the next one, I don't care. It will be copied to the stack. And then something. Are you aiming for A star and CS? We'll see. Yeah, all values of registers are stored in a stack. And then the CPU branches to the interrupt service routine after it's all done. Okay, then the interrupt's handled. After the interrupt's handled, it basically gets sorted. Like, then everything gets copied back from the stack to the register, and the FD cycles continue. But yeah. Transport layer. Fuck off. Okay. Adds it to destination and support. Wait. Application. Fuck. Okay, I think it gives a destination and source IP address, as well as... Fuck. Stack is checked and stuff. Celebration plans after A-levels. I might go on holiday. I also am gonna drink loads. I don't know, I kind of wanted to, like, drink a little bit, but, like, I feel really bad too, because I'm scared I'll get a hangover that lasts into an A-level. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I was thinking, like, oh, on Saturday, why don't we just go out for a cheeky one? But, like, I haven't fucking drunk in forever. Bane of my existence, yeah. Okay. Destination and source IP addresses. Okay. Split up the data into packets. Okay. Establish an end-to-end connection between the source and destination. Okay, cool, fine. Contemporary processing. Oh, God. So, contemporary... Fuck, I actually don't know. I don't know. What? Von Neumann architecture is used. I've never heard of this in my life. I know the contemporary processor exists, but I didn't know we had to know about it. Science A-level, what would it be? It would definitely be physics. OCR do skeleton code? Yeah, sometimes. Do you have a link for these flashcards? Just go on, just go online. Go on Google, search Anki, OCR, computer science, A-level flashcards. They're free. I didn't make them. I didn't pay for them. Chemistry on top. I wouldn't take it over physics. It's used? Okay, Fez. Do you need to know what it is exactly? I'm using Anki. Why didn't you do physics? Because I was lazy and I just chose the A-levels that I wanted to pick at the time. Okay. Harvard X. Okay. Cache uses Harvard architecture. Processing uses von Neumann architecture for main memory. Okay, the two roles of the transport layer. To establish a communication between the destination source computer and to split the data into packets. I can't lie. I put again. I'm not gonna lie. I think my memory is actually kind of what saves me. Because I don't really revise as much as some people do, but my ability to remember things is pretty huge. Like, that's genuinely what carried me through GCSEs. What app is this, Anki? Any tips on Welsh exam? Learn a real language. Okay, link layer. Bro, I'm like literally part Welsh. I have family in Wales. I go there every year, okay? It's not a real language. Nobody speaks it. Do you have the link to this? It's just online. Just go online, search A-level Anki, computer science, blah, blah, blah. Welsh older than English. Yeah, but it's used by nobody. Who outside of the Welsh unknown lands uses Welsh and doesn't speak English? Yeah, but okay, you don't only speak it. Nobody only speaks Welsh. Argentina, fuck off. There is nowhere on this planet that Argentina uses Welsh. Oh, sorry, hi, Kin. I just realised you. What's up, bro? What? What? Okay, 5,000 people and fuck knows where. Who cares, bro? There's 5,000... There's 330,000 people in my borough, bro. I don't care. Link layer. Okay, so it establishes a physical connection or something like that? Removes the MAC address. Okay. Contemporary processing. It's a type of architecture where von Neumann is used for the main memory and Harvard architecture is used for the cache. Instruction cache and data cache. Okay. Two roles of the transport layer during data transmission. Split the data into packets and to establish a link between the destination and source computer. Two uses of GPUs. Where? Okay, rendering things, data mining, Bitcoin mining, machine learning. Yeah, I guess, bro. Like, it depends, Divine. Do you do 4 A levels? Divine, do you do 4 A levels? Do you do 4 A levels, Divine? Oh wait, you're talking GCSE. You do 4, okay. And your offers don't require physics? And how bad have you fucked physics? You have offers. You have offers, right? And they don't require physics. And you're 100% confident that if you locked in, then you would get like your really high grades that you need for your offers. Address bus is used to send addresses from the... What do you call it? From the PC to the RAM. Yeah. Like a C. Fairs. Give him time to reply, my bad. Why'd you choose physics for A levels then? What kind of question is that? Didn't you say you were failing GCSEs? Hop off him, bro. Okay, you don't know how you're going to do in everything before you sign up for it. Maybe he just had a couple bad papers. It happens. Maybe he was sick on the day. Who knows? Yeah, okay, Fez. Good luck, Divine. I would still try and do as well as you can in physics, but it's up to you. If you really need to focus on your other ones, then do that. If I do further maths, physics, CS, and I want to drop one, should I drop CS? Assuming you're in year 12, kin, yes. Otherwise, do the ones that are easiest. Basically. Just, yeah, I would drop CS if you find physics and further maths good. Because, you don't need CS to do anything at uni. Like, there's no uni course that would be like, oh, you need computer science. Even computer science, you can get them with further maths. You can't get into engineering without physics. You can't get into maths without further maths. You're still cutting things off unless you drop comp sci. Science Short's 2-hour physics video. Fairs. What exam board? OCR. Link layer do when it receives data. Removes the MAC address. Contemporary processing. It uses the von Neumann architecture for the main memory, whereas it uses the Harvard architecture for cache, having separate data cache and instruction cache. Circuit diagram for a full adder. Okay. Wait, fuck. So A, B, C in. Okay, C out. There's an OR gate here. Something like that. Okay, bam. And we got sum. So we have either A XOR B. That looks terrible. That's a XOR gate, I know, it looks terrible, fine. Okay. Or we have... what else? Fuck are you drawing? What exam field? OCR. Can I buy your flashcards? They're completely free, Hassan, they're not mine. Just go on Google and search Anki Flashcards Computer Science A-Level. They're not exactly tied to my spec, like they're a little bit off with the spec, I think. But they are not terrible, they're good. They're great for just revising. A and B, okay, yo, so. Hold up, wait, let me cook here. So, we either have A XOR B and C in. So that's option 1. Well, no, fuck. Or... Okay, what else do we have? We can also have... Okay. A XOR B. Okay, we can also have for the sum... We can have A and B XOR C. So A and B... That might be an extra AND gate. There's another AND gate though. Okay. So we either have this, okay, or we have A and B. Fine, that doesn't go there. That goes like fine. Okay, there's another way. How else do we get S? So this needs to be a XOR gate. Sorry guys, let me cook here. There's another XOR gate going into here. So it's A XOR B, XOR, A or B, or A or B and C. This is the wrong logic. I don't care. That works. I don't care that it's wrong. Yeah, the third gate. Stupid me. Nah, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Okay, so the AND gate. Okay, the OR gate at the end's correct. Oh, it's A XOR B. It's not wrong. Wait, hold on. What? Thank you for the roses. I appreciate it very much. All good, Hassan. It's a mad drawing. I know it's cooked. This is what A-level comp says like. Yeah, this is A-level. Do we only NAND gates? I actually don't know what NAND gate does. I can't lie. I know it's like the most goated gate ever and everybody loves it. Sorry. Does it coincide with further maths at all in year 11? Sorry, I've just been ignoring you. I don't know. I mean, further maths has some kind of overlap with CS if you do decision. If you do mechanics, then there's going to be more overlap with physics and further maths. Do you start Anki in year 12? I did it in year 12, but I didn't really do it much. Okay. So that's correct. But what's going into the bottom part here? It should just be straight up C. So C. Nah. So to correct it, we got to take this, get rid of this gate. Like that. So A and B goes in. Yeah, fine. Okay. Or C and A or B. C and A or B. A XOR B. Okay, so the bottom's right. And the top is a little bit chopped, but it's correct now. Cool. I can do better. That's great to know. I lose one year of my life to get it right. You have a good photographic memory? You said question mark. Is that a question or a statement? I mean, I would say it's good. I don't know about photographic, but it's good. Easiest A-level subject? Yeah. I have good memory. I don't know about photographic, but it's good. It's very good. I can visualize things too, like. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate it. I don't know. I wouldn't say the word photographic, but it's really good. It low-key carried me through GCSEs because I just didn't revise, but I like had everything stored in my head from lessons. Address bus is used to send the address where data is going to be copied to, or from. Wait, is the address bus bidirectional? Because you send the address from the CPU to the RAM. So it's an omnidirectional bus. Do you do OCR? Yes. Okay, it's an omnidirectional bus that the CPU uses to either state where data should be copied to or written to, or where to find data from. Transmit memory address specifying where data is being read from or written to. Okay, I think I've got that. What the fuck is this? ADD. What the I've never heard this acronym in my life. ADDTIEM. Astaghfirullah. Further as a third if you want to study maths. Yes, Leah. Oh, if you can hack 4, then do it. If you can hack 4 A-levels, then do it. Oh, okay, fine. Analysis, design, development, testing. What would I be? Implementing, maybe? E would be exercising. I'm lying. Haha. Fuck. Implementation. Okay, cool. What else? E is experimenting. Evaluating. M is modifying, managing, upkeep. What's the word for upkeep? There's a word for it. Management? Moderating? I don't know. Maintenance, that's it. Moderating. Yo, can we not talk about what I do on Discord, guys? Maintenance. Okay, cool. Analysis, design, development, testing, implementation, evaluation. Okay, cool. Identify selector. What? A value that follows a hashtag. Is it just me that finds that to be new? Is this like a HTML thing? The fuck? Technology being used it. What the fuck are these bullshit questions, bro? Tracking pollution. Like by increasing information, I guess. Reducing emissions. Okay, so how the fuck is a smart home system going to protect the environment? Are you stupid? Okay, standby, I guess. Smart energy. Okay, that's what I meant. Cool. I do OCR. Foreign key. Keep that key out of my database. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. That was a funny joke, though. A foreign key is a primary key in another table. Using Anki 4? I'm using it for comp sci. A foreign key, this, yeah. I don't know though, these notes are kind of general. A foreign key is a key that is used to reference a record in another table. To access a record in another, basically to link two tables together. Like it's the primary key in another table, but it's another field. Okay, fine. Like that's such a BS. Okay, analysis, design, development, testing, implementation, evaluation, maintenance. I said evaluation, right? Restart. Yeah, love. Thanks, Meow. Alright, I'm gonna hop off for a little bit. I need to get out of the house. We're gonna go out of the house for a bit. We're gonna go cycle. Then we'll be back. We'll do a further maths paper tonight. There will be another paper being done tonight, so tune in for the stream. If you want to see that, it's up to you. You can ask me questions. You can not. You can do whatever. Take us with you. No, I tried to do a cycling stream one time. It doesn't work out. CS exams next week. It's not time critical, but I'd rather get ahead with it. Anyways, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.